Hey guys, the hype of Claude Fable 5 is not finished yet, and another model came into the market, which is open sourced and challenging giants like GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.7. So, we are talking about Nex-N2. Unlike most traditional models drop that only brag about standards, reasonings, or math test scores, Nex-N2 is completely built around a different philosophy. It is an autonomous AI agent designed for doing heavy coding, deep research, and long, messy talks without breaking. The most insane part, it is completely open source under the Apache 2.0 license, and right now you can use their flagship Pro version with unlimited token completely for free. But does it actually live up with the massive benchmarks, or if the official data hiding something? In this video, I'm going to give you a full breakdown of what Next2 is and expose the real truth behind its coding scores, and also check out the practicals, okay, by creating a website. Okay, so make sure to watch the full video and let's get started. So what makes Next N2 different? The team behind it, Nex AGI, realized that reasoning isn't the hardest part of AI anymore. The hard part is taking that reasoning, turning it into action, calling tools, and fixing error when the code inevitable breaks. Real web development is messy. It is a massive loop of searching context, writing code, hitting terminal errors, and debugging. Next-N2 is specially trained for that messy back and forth loop. They built there using what they call agentic thinking, which has two massive features. First is adaptive thinking. If a coding step is easy, the model moves fast. If it is massive architectural decision, the model dynamically slow down and allocate more compute to reason through it. Second is coherent thinking. It doesn't switch brains when it goes from writing Python to browsing the web. It uses one consistent logic engine across all tools, making it much more stable than long horizon tasks. Now let's talk about specs. You are actually getting two models here. First, there is Nex N2 Mini, which is 35 billion parameter model, but the flagship is the Nex N2 Pro, sitting at the massive 397 billion parameters. Now, if you are wondering could you ever run a 397 model, so don't panic. Both these models are mixture of experts, MOE models. That means Pro model only actifies about 17 billion parameter for every single token. It gives you the massive knowledge base of a giant model, but at the entrance cost of much smaller one. Also, a quick detail a lot of people are missing. Next AGI did not train these from scratch. They actually took Alibaba incredible powerful Qwen 3.5 base model and layered their own heavy agentic post training on top. Okay, so let's talk about the benchmarks because this is where the model is making massive noise and where I need you to keep your guard up. On these official sheets, Next N2 Pro looks insane. On the terminal benchmark 2.1, it scores 75.3, actually beating Claude Opus 4.7. On SWE benchmark verified, it hits 80.8, which is top tier for an open model. But here is where I want you to brutally honest with you guys. Take a deep look at SWE, one of the hardest, most punishing coding benchmarks out there. Next N2 Pro scores 33.6. That sounds okay. Until you realize GPT 5.5 scores 70 and Opus 4.7 scores 54 on the exact same test. What does this tell you as a developer? It tells you that Next-N2 was likely heavily distilled on output for those massive frontier models. It make it incredibly polished at building standard React app, landing pages, or commonly UI elements, which honestly is a great for us. But when the logic gets genuinely brutal or unprecedented, it falls behind the proprietary giants. So now the main thing, how you can use this in free or local deployment. So the thing is, you can use it run on locally or you can use it on your web for free of cost. For that, just you have to simply go to openrouter.ai. I know you already know about this, but here you can see in the model part, if you just go and search for next to, and here you can see Next AGI and Next N2 Pro is completely free of cost. So just click on it, and here you can see the price is completely free with context of 262k tokens, and the release is 8 June, and it gives you around 2 weeks to use this free of cost. Okay, so now let me tell you how you can use this. So for testing part, what I'm doing is just to go to here playground, and here you can just click on open in chat room, and here you can see we have opened with the Next N2 Pro free, and here we have created this for Riverflow, if you don't know about it, I will provide the link in the description. You can go and check it out. It is used for the images tool. Okay, images creation. So here we have the tool right now. Now what we will do is we will create a modern landing page. Okay, and let's see is that really created perfect or not, or what is the issue. We will compare with other as well. So let's write a prompt. So I'm going to use this prompt here. Okay, so I have just pasted the prompt here, and now just click on send message, and let's see what it creates. Okay, so as you can see, it start working, and you can see the model I'm using is Nex-N2 Pro free. Okay, so let's see what it creates. In the meantime, you just have to go and like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share the video to everyone. Okay, because this model is free for only 2 weeks. So I hope you just share this model to your friends and all over these stuffs. Okay, so that they can use as well. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the file is ready, and now it's time to check this out. Okay, so what I will do is just copy this whole code and paste it in our test file. Okay, so here we have test folder. Now create another file, that is next-n2.html. Okay, and here just paste the file. Okay, that is 3000 line of code. As you can see, it created 3000 line of code, which is like another level. Okay, so just remove this part, and now it's time to open with live server to check is that really good or not. So open with live server. So here is the design, and it looks great, guys. If I show you, the design looks pretty amazing. Here you can see it created with a single prompt, and the design looks crazy, guys. Here you can see this testimonial and all these stuffs. Here we have pricing tab, and here we have another idea. Okay, and here we have footer. So guys, what it look like, so let me know in the comment section, and if you have anything or any doubt, let me know. I will try my best to provide you the answer as soon as possible. Okay, and let me know how you like the design. Okay, so that's all about today's video, guys, and I hope you like the video. So make sure to like it, share, and subscribe our channel. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.